I ordered this beautiful sticker wall clock from Meesho, and trust me, it completely changed the vibe of my room. It came in a compact box with stickers for numbers, dots, and of course the clock mechanism. The best part, it's super lightweight and budget friendly. So I started placing the stickers one by one. This makes sure the clock looks well. After that, I added the dots in between to complete the circle. It was honestly so satisfying. Then I fixed the clock hands, and that's it. The wall clock was ready. Look at this. My plain wall now looks so classy and aesthetic. The glossy finish makes it look expensive, but it's actually super affordable. If you are looking for a quick home decor idea on a budget, I totally recommend this sticker wall clock. Would you like to try this in your room too? Let me know in the comments.